Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a mantra, OM, targets with my custom maker set, and the updates. Let's dive in. Guys, take a look at this chart. This is real FOMO. Yes, because let's be honest, if you in OM, if you join in here, and still hold it or already fixed a profit, congrats. You made a great decision to invest in this asset. If you're not investing OM like I did, so I skipped this token, just to be honest. We just chose the wrong token, guys. let's be real. So congrats everybody who hopped into mantra and made a great profit during this bull run. And yes, some altcoins, guys, perform pretty good. So take a look. This is a 29,000 on centralized exchanges. So this is not like a token on which traded on the DEXs and you did some research and you invest in it before the listing and all of that stuff. No, guys, this token, it's crypto. So ticker, it's a full history of this token since August 2020. This was a first bull run, December 2020, pump, March, April, May, only 1,700% gains. This, guys, a great example. So when everybody waiting, from altcoin season, some crazy gains like 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 from each altcoin. Take a look. So this was a altcoin says for some tokens. And yes, HBAR pumped 2,000% gains and finished right. And it was a top of the top for HBAR, and we dump it to next bear market for the next 3 years. So the same story can be this cycle also, guys. Some token can perform like 1,000, 2,000. In the best cases, it's going to be 3,000, 5,000% gains, and that's it. It's going to be the end of altcoin season and the bull run also. And maybe after that, if that token still survive, and not vanish from the markets, maybe they will repeat the story of OM. Just to be honest, I couldn't even imagine so the OM can pump so high. So my take was here. My take was $2.63 based it on this FEEP. So you remember this FEEP, and I shared with you this idea before, and I share with you around here. So I marked 27 block. But the funny moment, I skipped this token. Of course, I can't invest in all of that tokens. It's physically impossible because I don't have unlimited budget. So yes, it's now, just to be honest, it's kind of FOMO, yes, and like I missed the great opportunity while all altcoins dying, that OM performed almost 30,000% gains on a Binance, even on the Binance. So guys, even the better than Injective and the FAT. So who could predict? So this is how the potentially next altcoin season can look like for the tokens if they will survive during this cycle. Because I don't think so other tokens on centralized exchanges will perform the similar way. So my take was here, 4.23 by FEEP, $2.63, but we pumped it to $5.09. Can it be the end of cycle for the OM? Maybe. It's hard to say now. Now, guys, when we hit the new all-time high, and we hit $2.60, 4.23 by FEEP, for me personally, just open space for this token. Here, this was like this wedge, what people usually draw it, right? This one, we bounced and going higher was crazy. It's a weekly candle. So imagine in 1 week, we pump like here. 200, it's 27%, right? It's like not a big deal, right? It's on 27%. The same like is here, like this one. Compare. In different market stages, it looks different all the time. So now, guys, it's hard to say exactly where this token will stop. Maybe it's going to be the end of cycle for this one. Technically, I can't tell you the potential uptrend move. So I can mark the monthly gap now like a main support. Right, so this is going to be the main support level for OM. If just like example, like it was in previous cycles. So some tokens perform better, some tokens perform faster after that, the liquidity from that altcoins started inflow into another one. Never say never, so we can't drop. You can open the chart of Injective. When Injective hit the new all-time high, after that, the Injective dump 53%, I guess. Let me check. Injective, here it was all-time high, we pump, and after that, Injective drop 73% from all-time high. So 73% is going to be the even lower than a full fill of monthly gap. I'm not telling you we should dump now. No, but guys, let's be real. After 30,000% gains, ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy now at $4.40 or not? Of course, I understand some people buying here, out here, buying back here, out here, and now maybe they will buy and back again. So not all people who bought it here still hold it or will sell it now. That's why I would like to show you with my customer said how the money inflow in and out. ADZ I could show you because it's a ticker in average from all exchanges. So here, this was a time to buy. This is a time to out. So this kind of scary on the weekly time frame. This is a crazy madness, euphoria. Not even close. We can't compare in the March somewhere want to this euphoria. Of course, this is a money inflow. Unfortunately, I track it, but I didn't invest it. So I honest with you. So this is money outflow, 3 weeks, money outflow. Now it's kind of weird, but no money outflow on the weekly time frame. So maybe we'll see another manipulation, but on a monthly, 2 months in a row, the money outflow from this token. So it's kind of bad. So guys, let's be honest. This was a good time to buy. This is a good time to out, step by step. So unfortunately, we can't wait some crazy 50,000% gains. People waiting from this token. I don't know what people waiting now. Direction, if it's just a range, this is a bottom. We form deviation at the top. Logically, we can form deviation at the bottom. I already showed you how to work with the range. So here, guys, if this is a range, let me show you premium discount. Let me extend it right. So here, we form a deviation at the top. Next step, logical, it's deviation at the bottom. So just be ready for potential $2.97. Of course, guys, like any investor, any crypto bro, I wish you all the best, and we going higher. But let's be real. Let's be real with realistic targets. Take a look with trade on indicator, guys. Daily time frame. Let's take a look at the monthly. Here is no data to sell. It's kind of weird, right? But no data to sell. Weekly, sell, drop, sell, drop. So last sell signal on weekly, like confirmation, was like minus 21%. Now on this candle, no signal to sell. Daily, here's a sell, buy back, pump. But here it was last pump 59%. No signal to sell. 12-hour time frame. Also no signal to sell. Let's add alert, at least to see the signal to sell on 12 time frame. Got it. So my take is deviation at the bottom, test of monthly favorable gap. Can we drop now? Basically in February, yes. But if we'll see one more impulse higher, it can happen in April, May 2025. Take profit, guys. We trade way over exit line. I wish everybody to see this chart on your favorite altcoin, because this is what we're looking for. When the token trade way over exit line. So exit line on the weekly, now it's $1.33. Till end of, I think, April, this line can be here. For example, March, April here. It can be like $2.60. So it can be, yes, exactly $2.60, 50% of the monthly gap. And it can be this move. Bounce in autumn and drop, new bear market. But guys, it's just my humble opinion about this. So definitely for me, this is not a meme token, right? This is not a low cap token. Definitely for me, it's not a bullish time to buy. Buy line on daily, it's $2.27. 12-hour time frame, it's we reject. Take a look at take profit line. Exit line now it's $5.71. Buy line on 12 time frame $2.54, and fundamental value it's $1.90. So guys, let's be real with the targets for OM, but of course, write please in the comment what is your realistic target for next all-time high or the new all-time high, and write in the comments, did you buy OM Storm 23, Storm 24 or not? I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you want to trade with my customer, what I showed you in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.